Let me ask you, do you think you should have won the Grammy?
Of course. I mean, that's Bob Marley. How many Grammys do you need?
Being a man throw out him picnic out of the yard, out of the house. Make the girl that's pay 100,000 a month for rent. And you are telling me, say, Foota Hype, no make no video on that.
I say, KARTEl beat me. Yeah, of course, KARTEl beat me. Make him try it now, no? Make him try it now.
That's an rape. VYBZ KARTEl. We're there, Florida. And I pay money for the corridor. And we're working. No time for eyeglass.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's hot topics, we have VYBZ KARTEl says that Bob Marley has too much Grammy awards. Dancehall artist Kiprich charged over song endorsed one other gang. Don Tickman, Usain Bolt wants more action from the government amid $1 billion SSL fraud loss. He also considers himself as a hero. A Gaza TikToker fan says Foota Hype needs to make a video regarding Beenie Man making his daughter homeless. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first one notified when I upload a new video. Leave a comment and share.
The vibe. Let me ask you, do you think you should have won the Grammy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Of course. Why not?
It was me, like, reading in the comments. A lot of people agree with you. They think that you should have won the Grammy.
Of course. I mean, that's Bob Marley. How many Grammys do you need? Like, you're the #1 artist in the Jamaica verse. In the Jamaican universe, right? You're the #1. This guy sits on iTunes #1 every day looking at us like this. Literally. I mean, if you look at his album, that hardly moves from #1. Like me, yeah, I moved it a couple times, goes back up. Another artist come, move it, it goes back up. That's Bob. How many Grammys you need, man? And if you think about it, my story is an amazing story.
Yes.
13 years out of prison.
Yep.
Getting nominated for the album that I did in prison. Coming out, getting a US visa, walking the red carpet. That's a real story.
Right.
And we know the Grammys is also political as well.
Of course.
It's a beautiful story.
Right.
It's a success story.
Yes.
And
God could have been saluting you on the red carpet. That was dope.
Exactly. That would have been the icing on the cake. Am I bitter? No. Hell no. That's Bob Marley. And personally, I think he was the only person who could have beaten me.
Do you guys agree that it is time for someone else to win the Grammy? Or is Bob Marley deserving to stay up there all these years? Let me know in the comment section. So up next in the hot topics, we have dancehall artist Kiprich, who just got arrested for doing a dubplate, apparently. The JCF posted it on Twitter, and it reads, detectives in the St. Catherine North Division have arrested and charged 45-year-old Marlon Plunkett, more popularly known as Kiprich, a recording artist of Kingston 5 address. He is charged for the usage of audio and audiovisual communication to promote criminal activity, which is a breach of Section 18A B of the Offenses Against the Police Act. Plunkett was formally charged after a question and answer session with his attorney. He was offered bail and is scheduled to appear in the St. Catherine Parish Court later this month. If only they would move more swiftly towards more pressing matters like the 14-year-old getting the correct person that is responsible for what happened to her, and also all the other unsolved mysteries that are in Jamaica. But you guys tell me your thoughts on that in the comment section.
Yo, you know what I say? Foota Hype, right? Him always make videos that call out artists and what artists now do and what artists for do and all of these things. Right? So you me for tell me say Beenie Man throw out him picnic out of the yard, out of the house. Make the girl that's pay 100,000 a month for rent and all these things. And you are telling me say Foota Hype no make no video on that. Foota Hype of all person no make no video on that. Come on now. Something in a something. Something in a something. Unless I'm my best buddy. But something in a something. There's no way him of all person no make a video on that and burn out the dog. So yo, I fuck with that. Take care of you them. Him of all person. Because I remember saying, him make too much in video after KARTEl for buy Sean Stan better vehicle and this, that and the third. VYBZ KARTEl never perform good on him show. VYBZ KARTEl this, that the man the that, this man the this, everybody. So how comes a man when, as the king of dancehall, when you take care of him youth, not take care of none of them youth, them allegedly, you know make no video on that and burn him out? You burn out every single body basically on this earth, bro. Like, make a video too. I talk about the man not take care of youth them dog, cause you say this, that and the third, cause everything you go for the next man, you say, oh, VYBZ KARTEl have to come discuss straight vibes rum with you because of you build the road straight. Every little thing. So you tell me, so that one day fly over your head, or you don't see that one day? Which one? Or you just nah go stand up because I'm your best friend? No man, you're supposed to believe you can tell your best friend the truth to man. You get me? I say if you're not besties, you're supposed to can tell your bestie the truth, right?
Wanna agree? Call a spade? Let me know down in the comment section. Now the next hot topic is Usain Bolt saying that something has to happen. He basically wants more action from the government amid the near $1 billion SSL fraud loss. He is speaking about how the government failed him. He even went on the Fix podcast and talked about it. This is what he said. Check this out.
That the most me ever talk about this. I must say, because of who I am, you know. It's a lot of international people have called.
Yes.
And say, do you want to speak on Miles? I said, no, man, in time. But now, at some point, I have to start to say something. Now, I have to be careful, because now you look at everybody sideways now. If this happened to me and it's going to be 2 years and I can't see back a dime.
Shit, yeah.
And I said, Jaja, I'm not happy, but something have happened, something fixing up to go on.
That interview was released yesterday, February 10th. So if you want to see the entirety of the video, the full video, you can watch it over the Fix podcast on YouTube channel. Now, Usain Bolt also considers himself a national hero, but he doesn't expect to get the official title while he is alive. You know, he's a legend. He basically put Jamaica on the map. Every time I travel, they ask, and I say I'm from Jamaica, they say, oh, Usain Bolt, or they say, oh, Bob Marley. So it's a big deal. It's not a small thing. Of course, he's a big hero, and he also enough little young youth in a sports or even in the ghetto look up to him and say, I want to be like that. So I think he's deserving of it. Whether he's gonna get it now or when he's not here with us is totally up to the government basically and the people. But tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section.
I say KARTEl beat me. Yeah, of course KARTEl beat me. Make him try it now, no? Make him try it now. Make him try beat me now. Make him try beat me now and see what go on. It won't get me far. I have no 89. If me have 89, people that drop like fly already. And when I say drop like fly, I mean drop like fly one by one. So I have no 89 in my heart. You hear that? But I won't get you far. You and your artists. Artists them. You own two artists who call themselves king and queen. Nobody won't get uno far. Despise uno. You know artists can't test me no day. I should have to go. I should have to go to. You better pray for her. You better go up on her knee and pray for her, because she walk up till she favor her. And she go over so and nearly dead body and still come back and walk.
Boy, Lisa, we really have to wonder if you're well, because 1 minute you have KARTEl and then the next minute you have say nobody can touch him. Then now you say if him touch you now, one will go happen. We don't know what to believe. See, them did have a reunion with the I look like I did Javin's birthday and you weren't there, so obviously them kick you out. But guys, just pray for her. What can we do? You guys tell me what you think about that in the comment section. That's it for now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.